Have you ever noticed how some faith-based products promise instant clarity, deeper belief, and emotional transformation, almost as if understanding the entire Bible could be simplified into a single quick solution? The Valorrea Bible Study Guide is marketed as an all-in-one resource designed to help readers understand all 66 books of the Bible with ease, offering clarity, stronger faith, and a deeper emotional connection in a short period of time. And while those claims sound appealing, they deserve closer examination. The guide itself appears to be a real printed study resource that may genuinely help beginners organize biblical themes, timelines, and concepts in a more approachable way, especially for those who feel overwhelmed when starting Bible study. However, the concerns arise not from the idea of the guide, but from how it is marketed, with sales pages filled with permanent discounts, limited stock warnings, and high satisfaction statistics like 96% or 94% that cannot be independently verified. These numbers are presented as proof of spiritual success, yet no book can realistically guarantee emotional fulfillment or deeper faith, as spiritual growth is personal and varies greatly from one individual to another. The testimonials highlighted are overwhelmingly positive and one-sided, with no independent reviews or balanced feedback shown, which makes it difficult to assess real-world experiences objectively. There is also noticeable emotional pressure in the messaging, encouraging quick decisions by linking faith, understanding, and urgency together in a way that can feel manipulative rather than transparent. This does not necessarily mean the Valorrea Bible Study Guide is ineffective or harmful, but it does suggest that the marketing promises more than any study guide can reasonably deliver. Ultimately, this review is about separating the actual value of the product from the promotional hype, so viewers can decide calmly and thoughtfully whether this guide fits their personal study needs without feeling rushed, pressured, or misled by emotionally charged advertising.